Welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to explore 10 bad habits that damage your brain. Before getting started, make sure smash the like button and subscribe our channel to get updated. The human brain has unparalleled capacity to process and analyze information. Everyone around is worried about their health, the way they look, the food they eat, etc. But are you paying attention to the most vital organ who controls your body? Here are 10 brain damaging habits that you must stop doing for better functioning of your. Number 1. Lack of personal interaction. Conversation is incredibly beneficial for your brain. The process of having to order thoughts and feelings and then convert them into language while making sense of the words coming from the person or people with whom you are talking is a remarkable workout for your brain. A study conducted by the University of Michigan determined as few as 10 minutes per day of conversation with another person improved memory and cognition. The study also found higher levels of social interaction resulted in higher cognitive functioning. The lack of true personal interaction not only limits your brain's opportunities to exercise but also leads to higher rates of loneliness and depression, mental conditions that contribute significantly to reduced brain health. Number 2. Not getting enough sleep. Sleep is critical to our well-being and especially important for the health of our brain. While we sleep, our brain repairs itself. Lack of quality sleep inhibits this process, leaving the brain liable to damage over time. Americans are now sleeping less than ever. According to a poll conducted by the CDC, more than a third of people report sleeping less than 7 hours per night. Most people need between 7 and 8.5 hours of sleep per day for optimum overall health. Many of us can relate to having reduced cognitive functioning due to a poor night's sleep. Unfortunately, the effects of poor sleep extend beyond poor focus and a short temper. Recent studies have shown that poor sleep also causes degeneration and loss of brain cells. Number 3. Too much of sugar consumption. As sweet as it can be, it's terrible for your brain. Research repeatedly shows that sugar negatively influences brain structure and function, compromising both the information of long-term memory and learning. This 2011 study demonstrated a strong link between sugar consumption and decreased cognitive function. Number 4. Playing loud music with earphones or headphones. Listening to music at a very high volume with your earphones or headphones might damage your hearing abilities permanently. It can result in some brain problems such as loss of memory and damage to your brain tissue in the coming future. This is because brain is the one which takes effort to comprehend what is being said around you. If you apply excess pressure on your brain, it's sure to get. Number 5. Nicotine consumption. As we age, the cerebral cortex gets thin. This area of the brain is where important thought processes such as memory, language, and perception occur. Nicotine speeds the thinning of your cerebral cortex and can contribute to the development of Alzheimer's disease. While quitting smoking does lead to some recovery of the cortex, it is slow and may be incomplete. Moreover, smoking and vaping are terrible for your brain. Working when you are sick. Forcing your brain to work or study at or near full capacity when you are recovering from an illness is a really bad idea. Why? Because a lot of the energy your body needs to recover is being rerouted from healing to, say, finishing those reports. Forcing the brain during your convalescence could even weaken the immune system even more, making you more liable to illness and consequently foggy thinking. Number 7. Multitasking. Examination from University of London has shown that performing various tasks can incidentally drop IQ scores by 15%, while another UK study found that high multitaskers risk forever harming their minds. specialists found that multitaskers had less cerebrum thickness in the front cingulate cortex, a place answerable for compassion, just as psychological and enthusiastic control. Number 8. Not taking enough water. Studies have revealed that lengthy periods of dehydration cause brain tissue to shrink, which, somewhat unsurprisingly, will not help your ability to perform executive functions like planning and visuospatial processing. Like plant leaves without water, the cells in your brain appear to dry out and contract when deprived of fluid, indicates research from Harvard Medical School. 9. Excessive use of gadgets and radiation. Radiation from gadgets and other electronics devices emits invisible signals that can actually affect the frequency that our own brain produces. Radiation produces magnetic fields and vibration that can harm the brain. Use your smartphones and computers moderately. Number 10. Overeating. Food is necessary for healthy cognitive functions, but we all know that too much of everything is bad. Overeating often results in excessive weight gain, and before you know it, you are reaching the boundary to obesity. Obesity causes inflammation that can lead to brain damage, increased blood sugar levels, and insulin resistance. In short, and reduced brain function. Thank you for watching. If you got value from this video, make sure hit the like button and subscribe our channel to get updated.